How to sign out YouTube account from other devices. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the YouTube application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on the U option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Google account option you see there. You will then see the option for security and sign in. Tap on that. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and you will see the option for manage all devices. Tap on that and now go ahead and simply tap on the device that you want to sign out of and you think is suspicious. You will then see the option for sign out there. So tap on the sign out option and you might need to enter your passcode for that particular account. So enter your password and tap on next and then tap on the sign out option again. In the confirmation that appears, tap on sign out again, and with this, that particular account will be removed from that device. You can simply repeat the same process for other devices too. So this was about how you can sign out YouTube account from other devices. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.